Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Infinite Learnopedia. In this video, I will share how to use desktop site on mobile phone. Let's begin. Open your browser. So this is my Chrome browser. Here we will use desktop site view. This helps in viewing all menus and options just like we see it on the desktop. Let's begin. Towards the right top, click on three dots, that is more options. In more options, first you will find new tab, then bookmarks, history, downloads and search options. We want desktop site option. Click on this checkbox. Now this will turn into desktop site. Let's open one website, unipune.com. So this is the desktop site. The font size and elements look smaller as we are visiting a desktop site on the mobile phone. You can zoom the page and open the link. So this is the Unipune website in desktop mode on mobile phone. In this way you can use desktop mode on mobile phone. If you like this video, hit the subscribe button, like this video. Thank you for watching.